So I received my Tyger Auto Star Armor rails today in the mail. They're going to be installed on a 2017 Colorado. They came pretty well packaged from Amazon. You can see here that they're individually wrapped, labeled, and there's a little box of hardware there on the side. They're black, powder coated, came nice, no scratches or anything. The little plastic clips on the top are just there for packaging, but they come off. You don't need them for installation. And there's two nice little steps with some cutouts on there. So under the truck, it's actually really simple. You have these little plastic grommets you pop out. There's 3 on the bottom on each side, and then 3 on the sides, which I'll show you next. But you put these little retaining clips in. They just slide over into the little hole. So you slide it from the big hole to the little hole there. And that's what holds the running board on. Now, what I'm doing is I'm popping another one in. So there's actually two per support bracket. So there's one on the bottom of the truck, and then there's one on kind of the side. So you can see that they line up. So I started by kind of tightening them like a wheel. Just got everything kind of snug first, and then I adjusted the height, got a little distracted there. And here's a better representation of how those two kind of play hand in hand. You'll see they line up. So there they are, all screwed in and put together. I used a lock washer and then a fender washer along with the bolt. There's 6 bolts per side that hold this thing together. And when you're done, it looks pretty sharp. The paint job, is pretty tough. And overall took about an hour and a half to install both sides, and that was including reading the directions, which are detailed enough. There it is without it, and there it is installed. So hope this helps you. Check the description for the link to where I bought them, and for more information, don't forget to like and subscribe.